Most people approach AI side income completely backwards. They find a tool, get excited, then quit after 2 weeks because they expected money without understanding the actual work. We're going to skip the hype and walk through 3 realistic paths with honest numbers. Path 1. AI-powered copywriting and content services. Here's how it works. You use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to write product descriptions, email sequences, or social media posts for small business owners. Most people in this space charge between $30 and $80 per project or retainer work at $200 to $500 monthly per client. The honest part? You're not getting rich here. To make $2,000 a month, you need 4 to 10 regular clients paying retainer, or you're grinding out 10 to 15 projects weekly. The real skill isn't the AI. It's knowing what clients actually want, editing AI output so it doesn't sound robotic, and handling client communication. The AI is maybe 40% of the work. Common failure point. People think ChatGPT does all the work. It doesn't. Raw AI output is generic and needs serious refinement. You need copywriting basics, marketing sense, or design experience to stand out. Without that, you're competing on price against everyone else with a free ChatGPT account. Path 2. Data labeling and training AI models. Companies like Scale AI, Labelbox, and Data Annotation hire people to label images, write descriptions, and evaluate AI responses. Payment ranges from $15 to $25 per hour, sometimes higher for specialized work like medical imaging. This one is genuinely scalable if you can stack multiple projects. Some people report consistent $300 to $600 monthly, working 15 to 20 hours weekly. The barrier to entry is low. You need a laptop and internet. But here's what gets people. The work is repetitive, boring, and requires genuine attention. You can't half-ass it. One bad submission can get you booted from the platform. Most people oversell this path as passive income. It's not. It's straightforward hourly work done through an AI company. The upside is consistency and no client drama. The downside is it caps out around $1,000 monthly unless you're doing this full-time. Path 3. AI-powered niche content sites. You create topical websites, think product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison posts. Then use AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity to research and draft content at scale. You monetize through affiliate links, ads, or digital products. This one has the longest timeline. Most people don't see meaningful income before 6 to 12 months. But some people do reach 2 to 5,000 monthly once traffic builds. The catch: you're competing with established sites, and Google's algorithm keeps shifting. You need consistency, posting 2 to 3 articles weekly minimum, and you need actual expertise or unique angle. Pure AI fluff gets buried. Here's the contrarian take. AI doesn't make this easier, it just makes it faster. You still need domain knowledge or audience trust. The people actually winning here aren't prompt engineers. They're people who already understood their niche and just used AI to accelerate content production. Common denominator across all 3 paths? The money comes from solving a real problem for someone else, not from the AI itself. Your value is judgment, client communication, or domain expertise. The AI is a tool that lets you deliver more volume or speed. If you don't have the foundation, AI won't save you. Pick the path that matches your existing skills and how much time you actually have. Copywriting if you can write or sell. Data labeling if you want consistent hourly work. Content if you're willing to wait and have something to teach. None of these are get-rich-quick. All 3 can work. Subscribe for breakdowns on specific tools and workflow hacks.